Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'll be talking about causality. Okay, with causality, you're just trying to figure out whether your y of t is dependent on future values of time. So you're literally just going through and looking for, in this case, a t plus 1. So because there's this plus 1 here, it's not causal. Here, it's a past value of time, t minus 1. So yes, it is causal. Here, even though our time in the main x of t isn't being shifted, the integral goes to a future value of t, so it is not causal. And then here, with cosine of t, you want to try to, if you find something like this where you're not entirely sure right off the bat, you can look for a counterexample. So in this case, if we have t equals 0, then cosine of t is 1. Therefore, since 1 is a bigger value than 0, and we're plugging in 0, and we're getting a future value for time, so it's not causal. And just to clarify that again, there are inputs that exist, in this case 0, for example, where the output that we get is bigger than the input once we run it through whatever's happening inside of these parentheses. Hey, there's one more thing I forgot to mention about causality, and that is that the impulse response, or the h of t, for any t below 0 of a causal system is 0. So if you have no information about a system, but you know it's an LTI, and then you know that the h of t for example, -2 is 3, then it's not a causal system because that impulse response is not 0. Okay, that's all.